Adding flavor to your English. Understanding a splash of vanilla. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of English expressions. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means when someone uses the phrase, a splash of vanilla. Whether you're baking a cake or crafting sentences, adding just the right ingredients can make all the difference. Let's find out how this phrase can add a special touch to your English skills. First up, let's tackle the literal meaning of a splash of vanilla. In cooking or baking, adding a splash of vanilla means to put a small amount of vanilla extract or flavoring into the mix. Vanilla is known for its sweet and rich aroma, enhancing the taste of various dishes and desserts. This action, though minor, can significantly affect the overall flavor. Moving beyond the kitchen, a splash of vanilla can also be used figuratively. In English, adding a splash of vanilla to a conversation, a piece of writing, or any form of expression implies introducing a small but noticeable element of sweetness, comfort, or familiarity. It's about enriching the experience with something universally appreciated, much like the role of vanilla in recipes. To see how versatile this phrase can be, let's look at some examples. In literature, a character might add a splash of vanilla to their speech by using comforting words or a soothing tone. In fashion, incorporating a splash of vanilla could mean adding a classic, timeless piece to a modern outfit for that hint of elegance. In daily conversation, sharing a splash of vanilla might involve offering a kind, uplifting comment to brighten someone's day. And there you have it. A closer look at the phrase, a splash of vanilla. We hope this exploration has added a dash of insight and a pinch of inspiration to your English language journey. Remember, it's the small touches that often make the biggest impact. Keep experimenting with your English, and don't hesitate to add your unique flavor to the mix. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video.